Very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all have studied the English and the Tamil, the lessons and the question answers, memorizing poem. You all have studied very well. Hope what the study material we have sent, it has been very helpful for you to study every day and make use of that. Today we are going to see mathematics, especially remember that the title name is geometry, Geometry, geometry. Why we have to study the geometry in maths? Especially geometry carries. Each thing what you have in your house have different shape and different length and the breadth. According to that, they manufacture or create the article which we are using. Unit 1, Geometry, Geometry, geometry. First we will see the shape name called square. The square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. All 4 sides are equal. Square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 2 diagonals. Square has 2 diagonals. Diagonals, it goes like this. See here how it goes. If you draw a line, it's called as a diagonal. 1, 2. So 2 diagonals were found in the square. These 2 diagonals are equal. I will repeat once more. The square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. The square has equal side. 1, 2, 3, 4. The square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. The square has 2 diagonals. This is the first one. This is the second one. These 2 diagonals are equal. Now we are coming to the rectangle. This is a rectangle shape. In this rectangle also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. When we come the rectangle, 2 opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Like 1, 2. This is the opposite sides. Opposite sides are equal. This is also 1, 2. These opposite sides are equal. Rectangle has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle has 2 diagonals. 2 diagonals. 1, 2. 2 diagonals. These 2 diagonals are equal. These 2 diagonals are equal. I will repeat once again. The rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. The opposite sides are equal. 1, 2, 1, 2. Rectangle has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle has 2 diagonals. These 2 diagonals are equal. As we measure it is equal. Children, now you see the circle. This is a circle. You have the bangles. You keep the bangles on the paper. Use the pencil. And at the edges, if you draw that, you can have a proper circle. Once you see the circle, it has no sides at all. No sides. No corners. No corner. But it has a center point. Center point. It is a center point. Like a ball. Like a ball. So, the circle what you see here, the fully occupied. Fully occupied. But some of the circle like bangle, the inner part will be a open. So, remember children, circle has no sides, no corner, and it has only a center point. Next one is a triangle. The triangle shape, as you see in the picture, it has only 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides, and it has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3 corners. 3 corners. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Triangle, it has isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. What we have seen now is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. All these 3 angles will be the same. All these 3 angles will be the same. Take a square shape paper. Already we have learned the 4 sides should be equal in. Now the activity is the square. This is square paper. Fold the paper. Fold the paper. Now when we fold, you see this is also a type of triangle having 1, 2, 3 corners. Now here we are learning about the diagonals. This is the diagonal. This is the diagonal as I have shown with you with a scale. Remember that this is the diagonal. This is the diagonal. If you open this one, it will become as a square. So this is one diagonal. Next again you fold like that. Fold like that. You will be getting the second diagonal. Second diagonal. Diagonal you will be getting that. Next you take the piece of paper, rectangle in shape. It has 4 sides, 4 corners. Now you take a scale and a pencil, draw a line. The diagonal you will get it. These 2 diagonals, it has 2 diagonals and 2 diagonals are equal. As you saw in the square. The same way it is done here. Take a piece of paper, take a bangle and keep it there on the paper. Use the pencil and draw the edge part of the surface of the paper. So you will be getting the circle shape. Circle shape. This is what you have to do the activity, and you can try all the things what you have learned: square, rectangle, triangle, and the circle. We will meet in the next class. The homework is given in the given separately. You write 5 times, learn, and write a test with the help of your parents. Get it corrected. Okay, children, we will meet in the next class. Till then, you write down and keep on learning. Okay, thank you.